How to log out of all devices on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can log out of all devices on Instagram, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open the Instagram application on your mobile device, then move to the bottom right corner where you can see your profile icon and click on it. On the profiles page, you would see a number of options like your posts, your followers, and all of that. And then once you can see this, scroll up a little, and then some icons would appear at the top part of the screen, which includes the thread icon, your post creation icon, and then three horizontal lines. Just click on it, and then you'll be taken to your settings and privacy page. On this page, the next step is for you to click on your account center. By clicking on your account center, you'll be taken to your accounts page where you see your profiles, you'll see sharing across platforms, etc. So here, select password and security. All right. So after selecting password and security, you'll see different options like change password, two-factor authentication, save the login where you're logged in, select where you're logged in. And yeah, you can now see all of the devices that you've logged into. So the next step is for you to choose your Instagram account. That is the Instagram account that you would want to log out of all devices. So that's choosing the Instagram account. You'll be taken to the page where you'd see account login activity, etc. Then the next step is to select the devices to log out. Then you can, after clicking on select devices to log out, be taken to the next page. So you can decide to sell, this is the only device, so you can just select the device this way. Then after selecting the device and it has been ticked, just scroll down, click logout, and then your Instagram account will be logged out of all the devices that you have selected. For me, I've only logged in using one device. That is why it is only showcasing this. But if you have a number of devices, you can just select all and then click logout, and you would be logged out of all devices. So it is simple. Ensure you try this out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.